Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm your host, TheJuan&Only, and I want to welcome you back to my channel. Today I have something truly exciting to share with you. The Tomtoc Ultra Detachable iPad Case. If you're a proud owner of either the 11-inch or 12.9-inch iPad Pro, whether it has the M1 or the M2 chip, then this is a must-watch review for you. We're diving into all the details surrounding this stunning yet durable case, highlighting its heavy-duty protection, innovative features, and so much more. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my latest tech reviews and updates. And guess what? I've provided some exclusive links in the video description below for my US and UK viewers where you can grab this case at an incredible discount during the Amazon Prime Day sale and beyond, courtesy of our sponsor Tomtoc. So make sure you peek the video description for more details. So let's not waste any more time and jump right in. Alright, there's many things to talk about, including the 4 different orientations that you can use this case in. But first up, let's talk about the heavy-duty protection that this case offers, because when you normally are in the market for snagging a case for any gadget, the primary reason you are in it is for protection. Tomtoc has taken it to the next level with their 360-degree reinforced rubber covering your entire expensive iPad. It comes with enhanced airbag protectors on all 4 corners to resist the shock from those pesky accidental drops that are inevitable, biomaterial science TPU, and a resilient PC backplate. Trust me, they've really gone the extra mile to ensure your iPad Pro stays safe from everyday bumps, drops, and mishaps. So now, moving on to the design features. The Tomtoc Ultra Detachable iPad Case truly stands out with its versatility. This case offers not just 1 or 2, but 4 different modes to suit your every need. In portrait mode, you can enjoy a seamless experience, perfect for reading an ebook, browsing through comics, engaging in FaceTime calls, or beating some chumps on games like Clash Royale. The entire setup is perfectly counterbalanced so that it will remain flat on the table, and the only time it'll be knocked over is if you're actually putting some force behind your presses. Like, it takes a lot of force. But that's not all. The handheld mode takes convenience to the next level. With the back cover removed, the iPad becomes incredibly lightweight and looks excellent, giving you the freedom to use it effortlessly while on the move. Whether you're presenting, taking notes, or simply exploring, the handheld mode offers a whole new level of flexibility. Now, let's explore landscape mode, which provides a seamless and adjustable viewing experience. This mode is ideal for those instances where you're catching up on the latest episode of your favorite shows, gaming, or working on spreadsheets. The case allows for stepless adjustment, ensuring you find the perfect angle for optimal comfort and productivity. And then let's not forget sketch mode, which is fantastic for artists, designers, students, note takers, and creative individuals. With the case's support, you can easily sketch, draw, or take notes on your iPad Pro using your Apple Pencil, unleashing your creativity with precision and ease. And so now that we've covered the incredible versatility of this case, let's delve into the high quality materials and craftsmanship that sets it apart from the rest. When it comes to quality, the Tomtoc Ultra Detachable iPad Case does not disappoint. It's crafted with premium materials that not only provide exceptional protection, but also elevate the overall look and feel of your iPad Pro. The case features a sleek and stylish design with a premium PU leather exterior. This not only adds a touch of elegance, but also ensures a comfortable feel in your hands. The ergonomics of it just feels great, and it's nice to have that grip. Those who own an iPad Pro know that it is a major risk to handle it caseless. It's very slippery, and you never want to risk that cold aluminum falling out of your hands and shattering your device. You'll appreciate the smooth texture and the way it enhances your iPad Pro's aesthetic appeal. Moreover, this case is thoughtfully designed to offer convenience and functionality. It comes with an auto wake sleep function, which means your iPad Pro automatically wakes up when you open the case and goes to sleep when you close it. This feature helps preserve battery life and ensures that your iPad is always ready to go when you need it. In addition, The case includes a built-in cover providing an extra layer of protection for your iPad screen. This front cover shields your display from scratches, dust, and other daily hazards, giving you peace of mind and keeping your screen in pristine condition when not in use. All of the buttons feel super tactile and clicky, and rest assured the 4-speaker array system remains just as loud as ever thanks to the carefully placed cutouts that allow music, acoustics, and your favorite shows to sound crystal clear. But most importantly, the Tomtoc Ultra Detachable Case is specially designed to support wireless charging for the Apple Pencil 2. With a dedicated pen slot, it securely holds your Apple Pencil in place while wirelessly charging it simultaneously. This is ingenious. This way, you'll always have your Apple Pencil conveniently accessible when inspiration strikes. Now that we've explored the high quality materials and thoughtful features, let's talk about an exciting opportunity to grab this case at a fantastic discount during this year's Amazon Prime Day sale. The Tomtoc Ultra Detachable iPad Case is not only a top-notch product, but also offers incredible value. Its premium materials, thoughtful design, and exceptional functionality make it a must-have for any iPad Pro user. While I'm excited to share that there's an incredible discount available for this case during the upcoming Amazon Day sale, I want to emphasize that this case is a terrific investment even beyond that event. Its outstanding quality and versatility features make it a worthy companion for your iPad Pro, providing long-lasting protection and enhancing your user experience. So whether you're looking to take advantage of the amazing deal during the Amazon Prime Day sale or considering this case for the long term, you can rest assured that the Tomtoc Ultra Detachable iPad Case will exceed your expectations. So we've covered everything you need to know about Tomtoc's beautifully designed iPad Pro case, so let's wrap up this review. But before I do, don't forget to check out the exclusive links in the video description below for our US and UK viewers, where you can grab this case at an incredible discount during the Amazon Prime Day sale. Thank you for joining me today as we explore the Tomtoc Ultra Detachable iPad Case. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always guys, stay hydrated and stay tuned for more exciting tech content on my channel. Until next time, I'm clocking out for now, but I cannot wait to catch you all in my next video.